I'm Junghee from Hello K Cooking Class. With this big radish, today we will make radish kimchi. To get really great kimchi, there are two big different processes. One is salting process, the other one is mixing process. So we need to do salting process with this amazing radish with salt and water. Let's get started. I prepared around 3 to 4 kilograms of radish. Let's cut just a little bit. It's hard. Ta-da! This is around 350 grams. This one for the sauce. With this, we need to cut. Then we need to do salting process. Let's cut. How? Roughly. Like this. Like this. And I will move into the big pot. I prepared 1 liter of the water. So, to the water, this roughly cutting just like that. Roughly. If it's too big, you can make it half. Look at it. All different shape. And let's move to the big pot. So, as I told you, I put 1 liter of the water already. Then, we need to add this big and coarse rock salt, around 100 grams. And mix. So, let's leave for 30 to 40 minutes. And then, I will check it out. See you soon! 30 minutes is passed, but still a bit hard. So let's leave it 30 more minutes. So total 1 hour is passed. So it's perfectly pickled. Let's wash it up. You don't need to get rid of all the saltiness. Just gently, roughly, let's get rid of it. Just water, just put into the pot. And water drain. Do you remember how we made makimchi? That time, we squeezed all the water and drained the water perfectly, right? But this time, we don't need to do that. Just roughly drain and then put it back to the pot. Salting process is done. Let's get back. There is salty radish here. Look at this smooth texture. Perfectly pickled now. So, we need to make sauce. We are making radish kimchi, which is kkakdugi. So let's make kkakdugi sauce. We've just left 300 grams of this radish, right? Let's cut it in little pieces because we will blend it. To the blender. And rest of radish also. And ginger, garlic. If you have minced garlic, you can add that one. And rice. We need to add eating glue. So this rice works as an eating glue. Instead of rice, you can add flour eating glue. How to make eating glue with flour? Please check my water kimchi, which is Maangchi video. 4 big spoons of rice. And 1 apple. And let's add 6 spoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 6. Then let's add plum extract. Also 6 big spoons. If you don't have plum extract, you can add a big 3 spoons of sugar. 1. After blending it, we will check the flavor. Let's do it! Let's open it. Smells really great. We will add to the radish, but before it, let's add chili powder first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then mix. And let's add everything. It's time to use gloves. Mixing time. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Ooh. I think color is not perfect yet. So let's add around 2 spoons for chili powder. All together. Yeah. This is kimchi. It is really good. Then we need to add just a little bit of spring in it. Everything. Oh, beautiful color. Then mix again. I want to try just a little pieces. I love it. We're done. Ooh, look at my messy hands and face. It's manager. So hey guys, see you soon. I'm back for the last step. Let's add sesame seeds, around 2 or 3 big spoons. Optional. And then let's mix. Then let's move to the container. I need to stand up. And this is my tip. I always put these plastic gloves onto the kimchi. Then, whenever I want to get kimchi, I can use these gloves again. And also, it has to keep the air. Then, it's done! Oh, so proud of myself. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time!